Tagliaferro, Mistress of the animals, thou catchest the two rampant lions by the manes, while watching over the entrance to Mother Town, Altino. Save the lagoon from the fierce attacks of those people who sneer at ancient wisdom. Some want to disembowel her to let in poison-spitting new steel monsters. Some others spread poisons on soil, waters, air. I wish to go back to the salt marshes, to smell Salicornia, Santronico, Parietaria, to immerse my sight in the purple color of limoniums, to let the moon girl Selina lead me into the green turquoise shallow waters among winding sea anemones, spirographies protruding from the mud, with their tentacles as orange as the sun, sea stars peeping out in between red and brown algae. Tagliaferro, I wish to commit to you our tough symbol, Sabion the crab, and to find you again, mistress of the animals, in the beating of my fearless ancient heart, where light, music, harmony master the quiet flowing